Hi,
Hi,
finally.
good evening, finally.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Every year on 18th June, organizations across globe celebrate Autistic Pride Day. This day is to raise awareness and celebrate neurodiversity. To mark this day, we have amongst us two autistic self-advocates, Rishabh Billa and Rakshita Shekhar, and I am Arshi. I am the consultant psychologist as TrueHab. So Rishabh is a technical analyst at EY, and Rakshita Shekhar is an inclusive education consultant. Welcome both of you.
I got my autism diagnosis at the age of 23 in 2019, and since then the journey has begun.
Hi everybody, my name is Rakshita. I am an inclusive education consultant, but more importantly, I'm an educator. I don't like the word special educator. I love teaching, I love inclusion, and I love autism. These are my three special interests. And I have a 3-year-old son who keeps me crazy.
Welcome, Rakshita. What is the significance of Autism Pride Day?
Should I say it? Is that
anyone can go.
Rakshita, go ahead.
Okay, so I think in 2005, the Aspies for freedom for Aspies for freedom. Yeah, that group started this, and June 18th was the birthday of their youngest member. Chose June 18th. But I think most importantly, just like queer pride movement, we learned from them that we should own up our weirdness.
Yeah, for me, personally, till 23 years of my life, I was living under. I thought I was a neurotypical person. I lived my life up to the expectations of neurotypicality of so-called normal. Uh, it was, but I didn't expect, like, I was an autistic individual before. I am an autistic individual now, and I will be autistic individual. But before diagnosis, I didn't know, like, I was autistic. But now, now I feel like autism diagnosis as a rebirth. And I every time I say, like January 2019, when I was diagnosed with autism, it started my second life. Like, before autism, BA and AA after autism. So now for me, I got my identity after long and after difficult 23 years. Now it is still now difficult, but I got my identity. Now I'm personally proud of my identity. For me, I'm proud of my autism. Though it is challenging, though living an autistic life in a neurotypical world is challenging, but I'm proud of my identity. Though sometimes it is difficult, but I will never change myself, or I will never change my neotype to another neotype. Yes.
So you're talking about fights and you're talking about struggles. So what are the challenges right now being faced by the autistic community?
Autistic people's behavior. Human beings are pack animals. But there are subtypes. Autism, in my opinion, is a subtype of the human race. And and we are not pack animals. Autistic people are not pack animals. Pack animals are taught to look alike, to be alike, to follow the pack, to follow the herd, like we say, because there's safety in it.
So basically,
And
the
when-
normative,
the moment we are not even oriented towards following the pack. We are not even thinking of following those normative rules and socio-cultural norms and standards. And when we don't do that, neurotypical people get very threatened by it. And I think that is the crux, according to me, of the problem, the conflict between neurotypicals and autistic people, to be specific.
Okay. Yes, Rishabh, if you want to add something to
The world, including planet Earth as well as human population, needs diversity. Let it be biodiversity, let it be neurodiversity, or let it be diversity among languages, sexualities. As Dakshita said, we humans don't like other humans who are
okay.
the acceptance, the like example, if I'm a lion, I will go along with a pride of lions. I will not go along with a herd of impalas or deers. It's natural. It's really natural. As Akshita said, humans are pack animals. Humans will go along with humans who are, but a minorities, the neo minorities. I often excluded. I often on the fringes of the society. For me personally, I would like to add to this conversation. Like other autistics, all my life I was judged. I was not accepted. The main challenge is we are not accepted as we are.
Like Rishabh, you were also talking about how humans are pack animals because we also stay in pack because there is a need for safety and security for us.
So connecting to fellow autistic individuals like Yakshita and many other neurodiverse individuals is a sense of belonging. Like I have found my own tribe. I found my own community. There are many autistic individuals around the world. Though I and Akshita have not met, though I and other people have not met, other people other people like me stay across the world. But slowly, due to social media, due to internet, we are getting connected.
Yeah, so how did we meet, Rishabh?
We met. I don't know, but we met like on
WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp only. Like someone introduced each other. I don't know. I don't know. It is long story, but I don't know. I forgot. But I am proud that I met individual like Yakshita. I am proud that because there is a sense of belonging. We accept as we are. And we are able to help and understand each other because we have the same lived experience. The lived experience is a main factor for sense of belonging.
Yeah.
So do you think the sense, like Rakshita and Rishabh, do you think the sense of belonging will only come when you have similarities with the other person, or it can have, it can come from other people also?
So I want to tell you that I've been moderating autistic support groups. It is the most challenging thing because everybody is so different. Nobody wants to
Yeah.
conform. We can't have rules because many rules, because people are not going to follow those rules. Everybody wants to be independent in that way. We are not pack animals. It's this example. So imagine you walk into a room and you have and there's a blind child who comes and starts touching you all over, starts smelling you, and you notice that child. You look at the child's eyes, and then you go back to your own memory of when you closed your eyes and you couldn't see anything, or the dark. Jab current chala gaya, you couldn't see anything. And you would walk around by touching things and feeling things and smelling things. And you'll be like, oh, so sweet. Maybe this child is just trying to identify who I am. Now imagine you go to the next door, okay, second door, and you walk into the door, and this child whose eyes are fine, whose hands are fine, whose legs are fine, is autistic, but you don't know what that means. Even if you know, even if you're an expert in autism, and the child walks up to you, starts touching you, starts smelling you, you'll be like, hey, क्या कर रहे हो? ये सब नहीं करते हैं, दूर जाओ. And then you imagine you walk into a third door. In this door, you're blindfolded. Okay, you go in with a blindfold. So you can't see. But when you walk in, you can feel a child coming to you and touching you and smelling you. What will be your reaction?
कि what is he doing? क्या कर रहा है?
Yeah, क्या कर रहा है? And you'll take a step back. Do you see the similarity when you met with that autistic child, and now when you're meeting the same blind child? Now, I didn't tell you that child was blind or autistic. Maybe that child was blind in the third door.
The people love normal. People like the same narrative. Even if the condition is permanent, like a disability or like a condition, the people are hell-bent on like ye normal, like if I act something weird, which is like I and Rakshita low support individuals on the spectrum. Made the people around us more fixing to us. Like ये दिखता है normal, but ये ऐसा क्यों है ये बात कर सकता है, ये जॉब का ये बात कर सकता है, ये चल सकता है, but why the person is saying that I have a disability, or like it is not a problem with low support autism. It is in general to invisible disabilities. Like
I think that's the term I was looking for, invisible disability.
Like chronic pain conditions, mental health conditions like trauma, depression, anxiety, even ADHD, even learning disabilities. Like I have a learning apart from autism, I have a learning disability also. So I can like having an invisible disability, like a learning disability, having a learning disability also has made people around me, like in the school, like ये normal है, तू लिखता है, तुझे कुछ disability नहीं है, तो भी why do you get extra time for exams? Why do you get calculator for mathematics exams? Like rise of self-advocacy, or autistic people coming together and starting awareness, starting like writing their lived experiences, writing about how about autism can be beneficial to to the world. They
Hmm.
already started, but the pace of this journey is slow. We say like autism is an individual disability. Autism, this quality is beneficial for many jobs in data science, IT sector, finance.
Hmm. Hmm.
So 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 there are many corporates and there are many companies who have started hiring autistic people in the mainstream jobs because of their quality.
Hmm.
If we don't try to highlight our strength and our qualities, which can be beneficial for the neotypical or neo majority people, then there'll be more acceptance, there'll be more acknowledgement of autistic people as whole.
Hmm. Hmm. So you're saying when, in employment sector also there's acceptance and there's recruitment, that's when, awareness also spreads, and there's acceptance.
Interaction, the burden cannot fall on one person.
Hmm.
And even a condition is a very bad excuse for it. अभी अगर किसी का पैर नहीं है, amputate हो गया पैर, will we expect that person to climb 4 stories every day? कि नहीं,
Not
हम
really.
लोग तो सब बैठेंगे 4th floor पे बैठेंगे, तुम हर रोज 4 floors तुम हॉप करते आओ. You need to change your. We don't do that. When a woman is pregnant, do we expect her to carry heavy things? When there's an elderly person in front of us, do we not get up to give the seat to the elderly person? Because we understand the needs of those different bodies. इस body को, ये pregnant body है, ये different है from. That is the first thing. कि stop trying to teach autistic people social skills. Look at it as stop trying to teach autistic people social skills because we are deficient in social skills. If we are deficient in social skills, so are you in understanding what we need. So then you also, therapies are based on, all our therapy models, occupational therapy, speech therapy, ABA, all of them are based today when it comes to autism. They are based on ये autism इसमें से निकालना है इसको, मतलब इसको normal कर देना है, इसको सबकी तरह कर देना है.
Fixing.
We have to make them do eye contact, we have to make them say their name, we have to make them say hello, we have to make them learn how to make friends. You know what? I became friends with Rishabh not because I don't know how to be friends, but because Rishabh likes me genuinely. Diagnosis for autism to begin with. I know there's this whole debate of आजकल ना autism is on the rise, सबको autism आ रहा है, like corona virus pandemic type हो रहा है autism का.
Epidemic, autism epidemic.
एपिडेमिक हो रहा है. हाँ, नहीं, ये तो पैंडेमिक ही है ना, बिकॉज पूरे दुनिया में ऐसा हो रहा है ना. But if you look at the numbers, actually we are only testing children.
Okay.
We are not we are testing girls lesser. We are testing we are not testing people in low income countries or low income regions of our country also. We are not testing people who have average or high IQs. We are not testing non-binary people, queer people. We are not testing adults. Look, when I was young, when I was a child, we went to many doctors. Nobody ever said autism. Like my mother planned so many concerns. Nobody knew
I-
about autism back.
I think it comes
when I
down to again
sorry,
that what is sorry. I think it just comes down to again what is visible. So we go ahead and
Yes.
what is visible.
yeah, when it is visible, we are able to relate to it. When it's not visible, we are not able to relate.
This could relate to.
Yeah.
Mm.
So autism
Like-
is very difficult to relate to.
So what
as
do
a
you
human
think?
being.
Actually, I started an online course for Autism Allies. I feel that course is one of the most fundamental and is one of the most significant courses that any mental health therapy that any mental health professional can do and can start, and armed with that knowledge, the therapist can include the practices. They can change or modify, they can learn and unlearn, which can support autistic individuals more. With autistic or neurodiverse individuals, more the changes in brain at policy level as well as in mental health field, then mental health
Disability certificate de do, because we need some of the money that the government gives. Like we don't need all of it. Like we have more and not energy, non-functional. Like we can go one whole year when we are extremely non-functional. This time pay that medical insurance might help, to cover our bills, medical bills. So things like that, like diagnosis process, disability certificate de do. It's very, very, very difficult to get a disability certificate for autistic people. The process itself, I am told, is very traumatic.
Yeah, actually, India has some benefits to disabled community, but the system is applying a disability certificate, for applying for those benefits. We have to go to a team of state appointed doctors, and the doctor will screen.
They're
Yes,
going to
actually.
hardly spend 10-15 minutes with you.
Hmm.
बहुत दिल आ गया तो half an hour.
So I
In that
think,
half an hour, they're going to know our profile.
I think there is still I think there is still a long way to go before we acknowledge, accept, and spread awareness about autism and support the autistic community. But I think today's conversation did throw a light on the challenges that are faced by the autistic, the invisible disability challenges that the community, and also at the policy level when you're talking about the disability certificate, the allowances that the government might provide. So I hope whoever is listening to us today might be able to help the autistic community with this. But it was a very enlightening session with both of you, and I also learned a lot of things, and I hope we did justice to the Autism Pride Day today. So do you guys have any last thoughts before we close in? And if anyone has any questions